राज्य सरकारान गोवा आय.टी. डे साजरो केलो. आय.टी. डेच्या निमतान आय.टी. येवजणेचें उक्तावण मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकारान केलें. गोंय आय.टी. हब करपाचें म्हजें सपन आसलें अशें आय.टी. डेच्या निमतान मुखेलमंत्री उलयलो.
I was always dreaming about Goa to become a IT power hub. In fact, I was instrumental in starting the department itself, and I went through a scheme called as Cyber Age. Now, computer giving laptops to students in higher secondary and colleges has become a part of political agenda for everyone. But when there was no one who thought of it, Goa was the first state when laptops were given to the students at 11 for nominal price of 500 rupees. And it was like showering them with a IT logic. Goa has a capacity. If you, though it is small, we have a diaspora which is probably more than 1 or 2 crores. This is a very surprising figure as compared to the other states proportionately. Well, the state has only 15 lakh population. There will be about 1.5 crore Goans around India, and maybe some 1 or 2 lakhs around globe. And the potential for developing high cutting edge IT technology is very good, because we have excelled in science, we have excelled in music, we have excelled in art. Why not IT? So this was a dream. I think it required driving wheels. My minister is driving it hard, and friend like Pai is supporting it. So this is a dream coming true.
ह्या सुवाळ्याक आय.टी. मंत्री रोहन खंवटेनय आपलें मत मांडलें. काम सोदच्या परस काम दिवपा खातीर सरकार आय.टी. क्षेत्रा कडेन पळयता अशें खंवटे उलयलो.
We have been having a lot of dialogues with different parts of the stakeholders of the industry, whether it's the Goa Chamber, CII, Goa Small Industries. And a lot of these inputs have made us do some corrective measures. What we thought is in for terms of creating a G2B environment. Similarly for G2C, with e-governance and rest of the things coming in, citizens' expectations are high. Accountability of government because of mass media has become more. And for this, we need to ensure that governance is held on a proper terms. So our CM, as he takes this vision of his dream of taking IT ahead in the state, it is our also responsibility to create the next generation part. Transiting for the conventional mining or tourism economies, we need to start moving towards tourism and IT related economies. So if it's a knowledge-based destination, if it's a knowledge-based hub, when we talk about getting IT and the right investments, the right high-tech companies down, the whole idea about the Goan diaspora, reverse migration, allowing the people through this policy to retain themselves in the state, if this ecosystem is met and we have the IT enablers creating this ease of doing business that we are doing, then a new ecosystem for IT is being created. And this is exactly the vision the state carries under Shri Manohar Parrikar, that we need to have a very friendly governance, which can have less hassles for the citizens, we can have less hassles for the business community. This automatically will drive another economic factor, and very importantly, the focus is creating employment opportunities by either being more of a job giver than a job seeker. So to achieve this, I think we are on track. In the last 15 months. A lot of tasks have been taken up. We have worked little more than what was required to be, and it's a teamwork. Right from the secretary to director and the whole IT fraternity have actually participated their sweat to get this day today. And I owe it to the people of Goa, and mainly our chief minister, who has actually, from when he was in US, Makayat Jata, we used to put the things through mail, not wanting to disturb it that time, but I used to get a reply also within 24 hours. So it was not a selfish part of it, but it is something which showed the interest when he was in US also, and he has ensured that nothing stops and slows down because of he not being here. He ensured that things, clearances, everything were given, and that is why the dream part of achieving the startup, which we missed him for that particular day. That day we had a startup launch, and today we are having an IT launch today, which will focus on IT and IT related enabled ITS which will create the next Goa, the Goa which for the future for all these youth who are sitting here.
आय टी डेच्या निमतान सरकारान 7 जाणांक मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर आणि आय टी मंत्री रोहन खंवटेच्या हस्तुकी नोंदणी प्रमाणपत्रां दिली.